Came to the Phuket Sunday night market, and that's where I am right now. And it's raining.
Okay. ทำไมว่าให้โอเคอ่ะสุดท้ายอ่ะต้องมีตังค์ให้มันโอเคไม่ยอม
On the way to this island, we took a nap. We slept. And it was actually the best sleep of my life. But we have just been chilling on this island. I got a coconut. And it was really good. But we're gonna go back to the boat. And I think we have like water sports on the boat. This is always so scary to walk on because it moves like crazy. Oh shit.
ขับ3คนมาพี่มาริโอเอามาละ
Okay, we finished the water sports. I went paddleboarding and we went snorkeling, and then someone used like a glass kayak. Super fun, actually, it was so fun. I love water sports. Anyways, I think we're gonna have like afternoon tea now, which is like fruit, which I'm really excited for. Everyone's fishing. If we catch a fish, they'll cut it up for us and make sashimi. Otherwise, they have sushi. I don't think anyone's gonna catch a fish.
还有鱼饵吗？ My job are the water and the sea.
这2斤哦。
Okay, ready? Action. I'm gonna do an action shot. Okay. Okay, that's enough. Another day trip. We are going to, I actually don't know where we're going to. This one my sister planned, so I'm just kind of here for the ride. But we've been driving up Phuket, I think, and the scenery looks really pretty, like I said, mountains. Anyways, we're at a turtle sanctuary right now, and they have like little baby turtles. Let me show you. It's also feeding time, so I want to see if I can feed the babies. But the guy left. Oh, there he is. There he is. and then our driver had to pick up people, and so we were late to lunch. I don't know what's really going on. I'm still having a good time though. Still having a good time. Anyways, it's lunchtime, and this is what I got. Look at it, it's so big. Wow. Wow. It's actually really large. There's also monkey feeding here. Unfortunately, I'm not the kind to do that. Whoa, more Buddhas. Whoa, more Buddhas. There's Buddhas everywhere. We are going to dinner. We got back from the day trip and we're gonna go have burgers because we need some Western food. Listen, the local food's amazing, but I need a burger and fries right the fuck now. Tomorrow we have no plans besides party because it's New Year's Eve. So during the day we're gonna go beach. I don't know. Wow. We're on Bengala Road, I'm pretty sure. It's kind of the exact same busy as they say it is. It's actually quite awful, but in the best way possible. I'm loving this.
Today we're gonna how you gonna make something.
We're going home now. We were just exploring the area, walking around. It was kind of busy. I was just enjoying myself. I went shopping, got some shoes, and got a cashmere scarf thing, and it's pink. I can't wait to go home and wash all the sweat off. I'm like glistening right now. Good morning. It's a brand new day. It is definitely not morning, it is midday. But we only just got out and about. We slept in today. It was so good. It was so nice. But we went all the way to Kamal Beach just to see what the other beaches look like. Not to swim or anything. We have nothing really planned until tonight because it is New Year's Eve. Hell yes! I need to like make some New Year's resolutions or something. Anyways, New Year's Eve, it's almost 2026. In 12 hours it'll be 2026. That's kind of crazy. That's not my name. That's so cute. We left Kamala Beach and we're now at Bang Tao Beach. And fucking hell, this one's pretty as hell. I'm still like trying to figure out if I prefer Bali or Phuket, because I definitely wasn't a big fan of Bangkok. Like, it was super fun to shop, like it was a really good place to shop, but like being there like really drained me. I found it so overstimulating and it's like so busy. But being in Phuket, like, it's so nice here. But I still really like Bali. I don't know, I can't decide. There doesn't have to be a winner at the end of the day. I really like both Bali and Phuket. Hey guys, we have made it to Banana Beach. They have these little swings, so cute, but it's actually a really pretty beach, I'm not gonna lie.
Артик мне подарил. Не помнишь? Я прикалываюсь, дай прикалываюсь. Не поняла, кашляй, кэш. Давай. Так они на всю поджарят, блядь, еще любой, поверь. Ебаться не надо. Делать, понял? Ты любишь это? Контроль лютый. Правильно говоришь? Правильно говоришь. Лютый контроль. Из этого они всегда не дергают.
We are going to head back soon and have dinner before we're getting ready for New Year's Eve. I need to think of a resolution. I don't know. But this is really pretty.
ちょっといい高い車だと
So I have done some shopping. I went to Uniqlo. I'm just gonna go back to our Airbnb, drop off my bag, and then go out to Freedom Beach to watch the sunset one last time in Thailand. I do actually want to be home and like do my New Year's reset, you know, like just reflect on 2025, because holy fuck, 2025 was kind of a really big year for me in a lot of different ways. So I kind of want to sit and reflect and then try and figure out what the fuck I want to do next year. Oh my god, the walk here was hell. And then I went to like this bar to get some water. The line was so hellish, it was so hectic in there, and like I'm so sweaty from the walk, like I'm just like ugh. And then when I got to the beach, it's like really crowded, and the viewpoint like from the beach, from the sand, isn't very good for the sunset, and I came here for the sunset, and so I was just like really upset. But then I just walked on the rocks and now I have the perfect view of the sunset. I wish I would have brought something to swim in, because swimming would be so good right now actually, like after all this sweating that I've just done. But yeah, I'm just gonna chill here and wait for the sun to set and hope that high tide doesn't come too quickly, because I still have to get the fuck out of these rocks.